This week we can see that the price has dropped down with a bearish candle on a Monday, but first also reaching the 1.05825 resistance level, and from there the price has dropped down below 1.05087, which is a daily resistance and also daily support level. After the price has dropped below 1.05087, we can see a bearish candle that has formed on the resistance, and then we could expect the price could fall down. But the price has fallen down a little bit, down to 1.05044, and then from there the bulls have pushed the price again higher, closing above the open price of Tuesday candle. This is also an engulfing bar where we can see that the bulls have more strength and did not allow the price to reach 1.03920, which was a decision level for the bulls. This means that the bulls are much stronger and pushing the price to higher levels. We can also see on a Thursday, a bullish candle that has closed above previous candles and also above previous week on a Friday candle, which means the bulls have much more strength than the sellers are strong at this level. 1.05825 on a Friday has been reached again for the second time, and the price has reversed back down to 1.05087, which is now confirmed as a support level. We can see that the price has managed to push the price on a higher level this week, but this week has ended with the same price as an entry price almost, so we have an indecision candle in this week. If we switch to the weekly time frame, we can see an indecision candle formed on the chart. This means that the price have problems reaching higher levels, but also the bulls are preventing the price from falling down. This price level, which is around 1.05445, was an indecision price for the price in the past, where we can see this week's in the past since this year. So if we get back to the daily time frame, we can see that we have an uptrend format here, and also we have currently 1.05825 still as a decision level for the price, and the resistance level that we have here is also from the monthly downtrend channel. So we have three strong indicators that the price will have hard time to reach higher levels. So 1.05825 is currently the decision level for the price that is preventing to reach 1.07825. We have a strong confluence of resistance, which means we have a strong selling base here that is preventing the price to reach higher levels. But we can see that this supply zone, where the sellers are here around this confluence, it's not so strong that will push the price down and reach again 1.03920, which was indecision level for the bulls. If we zoom out on the chart, we can see that this price level 1.055 and also 1.05825 is a strong resistance level for the price. In the past, when the price has tried to reach higher levels here around May this year, the price have hard time to reach this level and to continue to move up. The price reversed back down, then in the second attempt the price had the problem, and then in the third attempt the price had a problem. In this case, we can expect the price will stop a little while here around this level 1.05825 and to trade between 1.05825 and 1.05827. This is the price area, the range area where we can expect the price to stay for a while. The monthly time frame target was also 1.07825, because if the price manages to close above 1.05825 around this supply zone and confluence of resistance, we will see the price at 1.07825, especially here at 1.0744 and 1.07355. After that, we can expect the price to reverse back down, reaching lower levels. But first, in this case, for the next week, we need to see the price above 1.05825. Until then, we can expect the price to stay around this area, and then if the price closes again below 1.05087, but especially below 1.046, this will mean the price will head to 1.03920. So this level here is indecision level for the sellers and also for the buyers. The buyers are stronger here at this current level, but we will see, will the price manage to stay above 1.05087. In this case, we can search for the entry signals around this 1.05087 and look for higher levels, but we should be careful because this is a strong supply zone that is preventing the price to reach higher levels. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!